Hello, and thank you for stopping by my channel, Cooking with Shani. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare a recipe I call Wakey, Bakey chicken. It's something I invented for my kids since they were tired of eating the same baked chicken every week. It just so happens that I happened to make this meal for my dad as well, and it was a crowd pleaser. So now it's a favorite in my family. Today I'm going to use 3.5 pounds of whole chicken breast, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of adobo, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of paprika, and 1 tablespoon of bacon bits with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So first you basically just pour in your olive oil and then you add your seasonings. This is going to marinate for about 2 hours, and then you're going to bake it for about 1.5 hours at 400 degrees. I'll come back in part 2 to show you what the end result looks like. Thank you.